In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram map not showing. We'll walk through a few quick checks and setting tweaks to help the feature appear. And I'll explain why each step matters so you can troubleshoot with confidence. First, make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version from your App Store. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for Instagram, and tap Update if you see it. The map relies on recent builds and server-side updates, so running an older version can hide new features even if your account is eligible. Next, sign out and back in. Open your profile, tap the three-line menu, scroll down to log out, then fully close the app. Reopen Instagram and log back in. This refresh can reload feature flags tied to your account and clear minor session glitches. If it's still not showing, reinstall the app, delete Instagram, reinstall it from your App Store, and sign in again. Reinstalling resets the app package and re-triggers permission prompts, which is helpful if something got corrupted or denied previously. Now check your device permissions. Go to your phone's settings, then privacy or security, open location services, and make sure they're turned on for the device. Find Instagram in the list and set location access to while using the app or always. On some Android devices, this appears as allow only while using the app or allow all the time. You can change this later, but Map needs active location access to work correctly. Back in Instagram, grant permissions when prompted during first use. If you previously denied a prompt, reinstalling helps bring it back. Otherwise, adjust permissions in your phone's settings as we just covered. Try accessing the feature through messages or notes inside Instagram. For some users, visibility starts there as the feature rolls out. If it still isn't appearing, it may not be available for your region or account yet. Instagram often rolls out features gradually, with broader US availability first. In that case, waiting is the only option. Also remember, the map is opt-in and off by default for privacy, so you'll need to enable it when you see the option. If issues persist, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram Storage, then Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can interfere with new features. On iPhone, the reinstall you did serves the same purpose. That's everything. Update, log out and back in, reinstall, enable location services, grant permissions, try messages or notes, be aware of regional rollout, and clear cache if needed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.